You hand washed it?
That means I never use soap and water. I just want to wipe them down with my hand. Oh, it looks so sick. Cherry. Waiting for the jack because these guys take you so long. It'll be cherry.
At least your car will look way better than it looks like right now.
It will look way better than yours. Is that what you were saying? I don't know.
Here's the spares here.
You're gonna have to buy tires for those.
He's gonna be like, you have the lot?
You so dumb. You so dumb.
No, it's cause
Oh, it's that kind. Okay, yeah, whatever. But he's still so dumb.
no, I do have the lot. I just have to check.
It's okay that because there's that one.
Yeah, I have a lot.
Yeah. All three of them is torqued down.
That's how dumb. You have two or three. Don't talk to hear me. You do it. I mean, I was gonna see you. I don't remember if one of my leg nuts fell off when I was declining, or if there's been like that. All spiders come out. Nope, I don't like that. You have a breaker bar? Yeah.
Mark, who put these lug nuts on? Hercules?
I did, yeah. Yeah. I was mad that day, so
It's like, I'm gonna put these on super tight. Starts to. Either pull up or push forward.
No, I was gonna do that.
Hold the middle too. Hold the actual socket part.
If you like them, you can have them. Hot.
Yeah, he stripped it. It's hot.
Oh, I put it on right now? Don't I have to take the tire off anyways to put the diff out this way?
No, put the tire on and drop it. I thought you were gonna say, oh, I have to take the tire off to try out the other one?
I would never say that. I already know about cars enough.
I know that I have to take off the old tire to put the new tire. Oh, this would look cool.
Yeah, but I want to do something. I don't know.
For spares, you stupid.
We're gonna be here all day trying to weld this diff now.
I'm telling you, you just hooked up?
No, cause look.
Look on this.
Don't even look at me.
Bro, I'm telling you.
No, it's cause I didn't press it when I
Hold on.
That looked bad, yeah. It looked bad, but did it feel bad? No, it didn't feel bad.
Get it on like that. Did it not feel bad? Or felt okay?
It just keeps going forever and ever. Look.
You want to change out the door?
Yeah, I want to change out the thing, and I want to change out the. What?
You so good.
No, because this is just my thing. I'm scared that my hood's gonna fly up on the freeway, bro.
What is that, Billy?
What?
What is that?
That's the shower curtain rod.
I didn't even that guy
I was looking for this long time, dude. Why is it cut?
Look, cause you see how the guy had the, I don't know if this is stock, this is probably not stock. You see how the guy has the battery holder right here? Oh no, that's that. This right here was cutting into this. Ow. And this keeps falling off. That's why my car sometimes can't even start. Yeah, I gotta put it back on, and then so I have to tape it with the electrical tape because it was cutting through the thing. I'm in a wrench.
I've been working on 300Zs for about 85 years.
Yeah, so this is what we're gonna use today. Wait, I gotta watch the video again.
How many times you gonna watch this video, Bailey?
Hold up, wait, I gotta pause.
It's not even the same part of the car.
It is, I think. Oh wait, no, that's not. That is a coilover.
I don't think that's the size.
Yeah.
It's probably a 17.
I knew that. I was just like, yeah, I just wanted to see. No, wait, no, this is not what we're doing. We have to. The gun, right?
Can go get it.
Right? I need the gun, right, to take off the coilover bolt. You didn't even care. Whoa, do you see that? You see how strong I am? I wish somebody didn't weld this. Look at that. You welded it? I really have to do it like that the whole time?
They're all right. They're gonna be.
That's how you take the diff out. Okay, wait, hold on. Now I can see what the next tree once he takes off.
This is right. This is like about 4 inches long, right? I think so.
That's not even an inch to me.
Why? You can handle more than that?
Nah.
You can handle more than
No, cause no. What is this? What? This is like 5 inches average?
Nah, that's a pretty short bar out.
This is a. This big. Why is this bigger bar so small? This is what I was wondering. Weren't you wondering why this bigger bar so small?
Oh, what? What is that? What's bars? Why, like, why they have those over here? What they have?
Yeah, I got it in the freezer.
There's extra?
Yeah, go get it.
Nah, I mean, fridge if you got extra.
Shit, when you're on, go to the store. Go to the store, grab like water and ice cream.
Try the itsy spider.
Stop.
Is that on loosen?
No, it's just loud.
Is that on loosen?
What? Yeah.
The spider's gonna touch Bailey, he's gonna cry like that time the cockroach touched him.
Oh, this is like way shorter than I expected.
Now, where have we heard that before?
Not from me. Man, not from
What do you
anybody
mean?
The whole time Bailey took out 2 bolts.
No, because no one had, you don't have tools. What was that? Spider. You should. There's nothing even there.
Okay, I'm gonna go back in the house then.
No.
Take off the cover.
Make sure it's on good before you start.
Don't strip any of those bolts, please.
Drop and let it go. Yeah.
Come on, go on.
You got it. Let it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. You got it. Spit it out. You got it. Come on, go ahead. Imagine that.
Chinese?
That one was so funny.
You're like, oh, these are
I was like, what?
Tap the top of the cover. That's a heavy hammer for it to not move.
I know, yeah. Unless I'm just not a Titan. I was watching Titan games too. Like, this is gonna be the one to open it up.
Yeah.
Oh, really? We gotta,
Okay, we got her. Yeah, we are almost there.
Check out my swinging.
Yeah,
This could stay,
well,
this guy stay my swinging.
Maybe space, bro.
That's the reason why.
That's probably why.
Yeah, it's hard where you should do it. You should do it.
Okay.
Oh, hammer. That's what you call hammer. So you call one hammer who has one hammer dolo.
I thought you were just gonna say how. No.
Right now we're about to go pick up a kit for Bradley for deals, so we're about to head out. I just asked him like an hour ago if he wanted to sell it, and he said yeah. So we're gonna go pick it up. Are you excited?
Yeah. Yeah, you.
6, 7, 8.
Right there. 3. Okay, wait. Wait a minute. Because I know for sure that's 2. 20, 40, 60, 80. What is 80 plus 20? Is that 100? Whatever. You going? But that was my chronic days.
Oh, what is these days?
Oh, the extra chronics.
It's still the same
Just
days.
in California.
That was when I was chronic in Hawaii.
You know what? Somebody told me like, hey, if you're not gonna use dry ice, it's easier.
Yeah, dry ice is like the, oh, you end up using the